Seedance 2.0 is everywhere, and these videos are mind-blowing. But honestly, finding the right prompts is a total nightmare. Usually, you have to ask around for prompts and just hope for a tip. It takes forever, so today, I have a solution. Hey, Nova here, welcome back. Today, I'm sharing a workflow using Gemini and Claude that makes creating video incredibly easy. Sometimes you see a clip and just wish you knew the technical details. The angles, the palette, the exact style. Now, you could break it into frames manually, but that's a massive time sucker. I've found a much faster way, but you've got to listen closely to catch the logic. First, we're heading into Gemini. I use this specific model because it actually understands visual motion and lighting better than almost anything else. Just upload your video here and paste this prompt. We're telling Gemini to act like a film director. We aren't just asking for a description, we're demanding a full breakdown of the shot type, the lens compression, the lighting direction, and even the depth of field. It turns a visual mystery into a technical blueprint in seconds. So, looking at the output, Gemini gives you the timestamps alongside the scene description, lighting, and camera settings. It even suggests a prompt for that specific scene. The cool thing about this is you can actually see how a filmmaker uses the camera to get a certain look. You're basically seeing the technical why behind the shots you like. It's a way to learn the craft while you work, rather than just guessing what makes a video look good. You can take these technical details and apply them to any style you're working on. It's all about having the right foundation. To make this actually work for Seedance 2.0, I'm using the custom Claude skill I shared with you guys in my last video. If you missed it, that file helps Claude turn raw data into perfectly formatted prompts that Seedance actually understands. Let's set it up. Think of a skill as a manual. It's a set of rules telling the AI exactly how to handle cinematography and movement for you. There are 4 key files here. Skill.md is the main instruction manual, while the Camera Bible handles the cinematography expertise. Then, Seedance Capabilities teaches Claude the specific language of the tool. Finally, we have prompt examples to tie it all together. Set up a skill is too easy. On Claude.ai, just go to your settings, click Skills, and upload the file from the description. Now I'm pasting that full breakdown from Gemini into Claude. Since Claude already has my prompt engineering skill loaded, it understands how to handle all that technical data without me needing to explain it again. Okay, I'm asking Claude to take all those separate scenes and merge them into one unified 15-second prompt. Now that we have our unified prompt, let's head over to Seedance and see what it can actually do with this data. For the final generation, we're using CloneViral. It's basically an all-in-one hub that gives you access to all the latest models in one spot. You can use text to video or use first and last frames if you want to guide the motion specifically. You also have reference to video and revideo features if you're iterating on an idea. Now all you do is just paste that prompt we got from Claude right here. I'm going to set my duration and aspect ratio. You can even generate the audio right here. So, here is the original video I uploaded to Gemini as our reference. And now, here is the video I created using this exact workflow. By breaking down the technical details first, we were able to replicate that high-end cinematic feel without any of the usual guesswork. I used this exact method to build my own story. I saw a battle scene on Instagram that had incredible energy and camera work. Like I showed you before, I used Gemini to deconstruct that professional style so I could apply the same logic to my own work. So, here's the process. I'm taking that battle scene breakdown from Gemini and moving it into Claude. But this time, I'm also uploading my own character. I'm asking Claude to take those pro cinematography rules and write an image-to-video prompt specifically for my character. It's the best way to get that high-end look while keeping the story completely yours. I'm using my original character image as the visual base, and I'm pairing it with this specific prompt we got from Claude. Okay, let's see the result. And that was a quick wrap on this method. I really hope this workflow helps you level up your next project. I've put the Claude skill and the Gemini prompt in the description for you. If this helped, help me grow, subscribe, and join the journey. Thanks for hanging out today. Love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.